Cleaning your crate and barrel couch can be straightforward if you follow these steps. First, prepare your couch for cleaning. Remove any loose debris or crumbs from the cushions and crevices using a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. Check the care label on your couch to determine the appropriate cleaning method. For fabric upholstery, you may need a mild detergent or upholstery cleaner. Leather couches may require a specific leather cleaner and conditioner. Second, remove surface dirt and debris. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to gently remove loose dirt and debris from the surface of your couch. For stubborn dirt or pet hair, try using a lint roller or sticky tape to lift it off the fabric. 3. Treat stains and spills. Blot the area immediately with a clean cloth or paper towel to soak up much of the spill as possible. For light stains, mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water and gently scrub the affected area using a soft cloth. Always test any cleaning products on a small, inconspicuous area of the couch first to ensure they don't cause any damage or discoloration. Lastly is to deep clean the couch. For fabric upholstery, you can use a steam cleaner or upholstery cleaner to deep clean the couch. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for best results. For leather couches, use a leather cleaner and conditioner to clean and maintain the leather. So basically that's it.